Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this mimicat magnetic iPhone 15 Pro case. Military grade drop protection and shockproof. Stereo mesh designed. Heat dissipation for our Apple iPhone 15 Pro. It's a really cool looking case and it comes in a black finish. It comes with a strong paramagnetic. The built-in Apple official strong magnetic system perfectly aligned the magnetic attraction makes wireless charging faster and safer than before. This is the best battery protection. It's compatible with all magnetic accessories. As efficient heat dissipation is included too, because some of the iPhone 15 Pros out there are going to make a little bit of going to be hot while they are using, for example, in our pocket or something else. But here it comes the super cooling ultra thin 3D stereo mesh structure, nano-grade heat dissipation materials, honeycomb matrix, circulating heat dissipation, no fear of the phone heat even when charging, cooling our iPhone 15 Pro much more. And with a shockproof and an anti-drop design. 360 degrees airbag protection with camera screen protector. The surrounding frame is made of the soft TPE materials and the back is made of the eco-friendly drop-proof grade PC material to protect our iPhone 15 Pro at all times. That means we can drop it to the floor, for example. But there are a halo around our phone, and the halo is a little bit more on the upper position over the screen. So, if our phone drops on a flat surface, it's no problem because it will drop on the case, not on our phone itself. It's the same style on the other side. On the other side, we have a halo system at the camera system, and this will make a supporting ring around our camera system too. So we have a 360 degrees protection and extreme protection. Precise hole placement and exquisite craftsmanship. 0.5mm camera lens labs and 1.5mm screen labs. It's suitable for the iPhone 15 Pro and perfectly protect our phone all day long. And with a great grab of it. The high-quality frosted material and the excellent craftsmanship behind this is very sturdy and durable skin-friendly feel with a superior grip. Non-slip, no fear of dropping our iPhone again or once. Also convenient to use in the car. For example, we have there in the car we have a MagSafe system, and this holding system is compatible with this case, so you can dock it to position and have fun with it. Mimicat fashion iPhone cases. They are devoted to design stylish, high-quality phone cases that are shockproof and heat dissipation, protecting our phone at all time. Mimicat, this is a factory, was established in 2013. They have always been dedicated to researching and developing cell phone cases. And they always insist on providing quality products to us customers. And of course, the mimicat iPhone cases here are available in different colors on the market. Here you can see the black version of that. And we have a MagSafe heat dissipation case for iPhone 15 Pro. Battery health, faster charging, and safer. The built-in Apple official powerful magnetic ring makes charging more safer. A super magnetic section, stable the absorption of our iPhone, not offset and not drop off. And we have an effective cooling our phone structure. Nano heat dissipation material, powerful magnetic and 3D mesh case. And an airbag structure around the iPhone itself. The constant low temperature heat dissipation coating makes it possible. Innovative nanomaterial, long-lasting low temperature. We enjoy cooling while charging, and that's the way it is. The mimicat magnetic heat dissipation 3D mesh iPhone 15 Pro case makes our phone protect more and makes a better temperature with it. We have 3D mesh structure, Apple official powerful magnetic system, nano heat dissipation material, drop protection, comfortable hand filling, Apple factory made faster wireless charging, safer battery health, effectively cooling our phone, and the grade shockproof and health material. Everything in this case, it comes together to protect our iPhone 15 Pro. This is the mimicat magnetic iPhone 15 Pro case. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.